So yun guys, gusto nyo bang marinig ang tunog ng FKM Express 500 SC? So subukan natin at buksan natin yung kanyang engine. Let's go! So yun yung tunog ng Express 500 SC ng FKM Motorcycle Philippines. So let's go!